My name is Courtney Williams, and welcome to BusinessPro21.com. Today I'm going to talk with you guys briefly about loan modifications and why you absolutely do not need to pay thousands of dollars to a loan modification company or a private law firm in order to obtain results and save your homes. There's so many companies out there nationwide that's charging anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 to fulfill these quote-unquote loan modification obligations, and they're telling you, hey, we can save your home, but I'm here to let you guys know that there's another route you can take in obtaining the same exact results. Loan modifications are made out to be extremely difficult when really they're very simple. The only thing that it requires is that you contact your lender, request to speak to their loss mitigation department. Okay, once you get on the phone with the loss mitigation department, you're going to request a loan modification package and the guidelines for that specific lender as to how your package needs to be packaged up when you go to send it back in, and exactly what documentation you need to include within that submission, as far as paycheck stubs, W-2s, and any other financial or income documentation that the lender may request from you upon submission of your loan modification. From that point on, the most important thing and the key to the entire process is follow-up. Follow-up is key. You must follow up with your lender after you submit the package 2 to 3 times minimum weekly. Okay? Even if your lender advises you not to, you still want to follow up 2 to 3 times minimum weekly, because like they say, the squeaky wheel gets the oil. So you definitely want to stay in their ear. Whomever your correspondence is at your particular lender, you want to call them pretty much 2 to 3 times minimum a week, like I indicated. And what that's going to do is that's going to kind of get them tired of hearing from you so frequently, to where it's going to expedite the process of getting your loan modification completed. One small trick of the trade here that I'll share with you here in regards to having a successful loan modification. A lot of times we're told that it's best to get a lawyer involved, and it's always great to get legal consultation. And you're absolutely right. It is definitely important to have that individual in your corner that understands every aspect of, in this case, real estate law. That way, the bank or the lender don't try to, they don't try to pull a fast one on you, as far as not giving you the best possible loan modification out there. But you don't have to pay, anything, in the area of thousands of dollars to actually have that legal consultation in order to know exactly which direction to proceed in with your loan modification. There's a company out there called Prepaid Legal, and Prepaid Legal offers you unlimited legal consultation for only $36 a month, and that also includes identity theft protection. They also allow you to get a free will if you don't have a will, which is very important, because if anything were to ever happen to you, God forbid, you definitely want your assets to be left behind to the appropriate individuals and not the state, because then at that point in time your family would have to go through probate court, and that would be a huge mess. But anyhow, Prepaid Legal is a phenomenal service, and it's only $36 a month. And like I said, with Prepaid Legal, you're able to get the attorney consultation, unlimited. You can call them every day, 24 hours a day, and there's always going to be someone there to consult with you in regards to your particular case. In this case, it would be a loan modification, so they'll be there around the clock to guide you through the process of filling out your loan modification packet that your lender sent you, and also once you're done filling it out, you can actually fax or email your copy in to the attorney with Prepaid Legal, and they'll actually review your documents for up to 10 pages. That's a phenomenal thing. So it's like, not only will they instruct you and be there with you on the phone on how to fill the packet out, but when it's completed, you can actually forward that packet into them, and they will review it up to 10 pages for you before you send it back off to the lender. And not only will they do that, but if they need to make a phone call to your lender for any given reason, say your lender is not responding to you properly, say they aren't, they're kind of, playing games with you, and they don't want to approve your modification, or there's just something fishy going on there. You can actually give your Prepaid Legal attorney a call, review what's been taking place with him or her, and he will place a phone call for you to your lender, or write a written correspondence to your lender on your behalf and let them know, hey, Mr. and Mrs. such and such has a lawyer that's representing them. We pretty much advise you, take care of this matter before we, get involved, much further. And a lot of times that's exactly what's needed to get that loan modification over that final hump. So anyhow, just wanted to share a few things with you. Loan modifications, it's a great thing. Thousands of dollars, I would say, paid to various companies out here, not a great thing, because it's something that's extremely simple to do, and it's something that you can actually get done by yourself with a little help from a Prepaid Legal attorney. And like I said, a Prepaid Legal attorney is going to cost you, for your membership, $36 a month. And to hire a actual loan modification company, which they don't do anything special that you couldn't do, to be perfectly honest with you, because I personally used to work with a loan modification company, so I actually know a little bit about what goes on inside of a loan modification operation. So like I said, you're hearing it firsthand. You do not need to pay thousands of dollars to a loan modification company. You can do it yourself. I would honestly advise you get Prepaid Legal. And also, while you're at it, check out the video directly below me. It kind of gives you an overview of what Prepaid Legal is, and it's a lot of great information in there. And at the very bottom of the page, there's a link that you can click on and actually become a Prepaid Legal member. All right? I greatly appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video, and definitely educate yourself. I hope I helped out and maybe answer some questions for you. You have a great day, and God bless.